Hello wonderful viewers and welcome back to the channel of No Reserve Classics. My name is Misak and today we're going to be measuring the paint on this 2005 Ford GT, a 1 of 14 original striped elite car. So follow me this way as we go ahead and showcase the originality of this paint. We're going to start here on the passenger front fender and get a measuring of 3.7. Wow, that is a super thin measurement, which means that this car has original paint right there on the passenger side fender, and I think that's going to be the same case here as we go ahead and test out the door, which if I gently place right here, you do want to be careful as you're measuring these cars' paint, and we have a reading of 5. So far so good, this car is all original, and now let's get the rear clamshell by the passenger side, which our reading shows here, a 6.2. So notice how we have several ranges of 3, 5, and 6. These cars were hand painted in the factory when they were produced. So that goes to show that you're going to have some variables that are off, but ultimately an original paint job. Let's go ahead and check out the rear fender over here for the driver's side, and we've entered the double digit of 10, which is not a bad thing. That means we're still in the original paint numbers. If it was not to be original, we'd be somewhere between 20 and 30. But so far, the numbers I'm seeing all across the board are relatively low. Here we have a 9.1 on the door over here on the driver's side. And let's end by testing out the paint measurement on the driver front fender. And ladies and gentlemen, our official reading is going to be a 6.5. So on average, we're rounding out to at least 5 to 7 all across this car, but it means that this car is all original. So now let's go ahead and take this to the shop to get a professional paint protection film on it.